Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Cryptomator access denied error step by step. This error usually appears when Cryptomator doesn't have permission to access your vault, another application is using the files, or your operating system is blocking access. So let's get started. First, make sure your vault isn't already open in another application. Close any documents, folders, or programs that are currently using files inside the vault, then try unlocking it again. Next, check the folder permissions for your Cryptomator vault. Yeah, make sure your user account has read and write access to the vault's location. If the vault is stored on an external drive or a network location, verify that the drive is connected and accessible. If you're using Windows, right-click Cryptomator and choose Run as Administrator. This can resolve permission-related issues that prevent the application from mounting or accessing the vault. On macOS or Linux, ensure Cryptomator has the necessary file access permissions and that the operating system isn't blocking the application. If your vault is stored in Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox, wait until the cloud service finishes syncing before trying again. An incomplete sync or a locked file can sometimes trigger an access denied message. You should also update Cryptomator to the latest version and restart your computer. Temporary system glitches, outdated software, or security programs such as antivirus applications may block access to the vault. If necessary, temporarily disable the security software or add Cryptomator to its trusted applications list before testing again. Finally, if the error still appears, restore the vault from a recent backup if one is available. Or check the official Cryptomator documentation and community support for platform-specific troubleshooting steps. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix the Cryptomator access denied error and regain secure access to your encrypted vault. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next